Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Irrespective of kung ano nga variant ang nagalibot sa population natin, be it the alpha, beta, or even the delta variant, all the vaccines that are available now, the vaccines available here in the Philippines. So for example, ang Sinovac, ang AstraZeneca, now we already have Pfizer, Janssen, and Moderna, although at small amounts. All of these vaccines in real-world studies have shown that they have been effective across the board against the different variants, if not in terms of transmissibility, more importantly in terms of preventing symptoms. So, ang mahambal ko lang sa tanan nga tao is that hindi ka mo mahadlok, do not doubt the effectivity of vaccines. Kung ginahambal ang iban gahambal nga hesitant sila magpa-vaccinate kay dasig-dasig gin manufacture gin produce ang ini nga mga vaccines. It's mainly because of the kung tanawon mo kung paano naka-set up ang scientific community subong. It's very interconnected across the globe. One of the reasons why, for example, good example is yung, for example, locally developed test kits naton diri sa Pilipinas, ang gin-develop ni Dr. Raul Destura ng UPNIH and Manila Health Tech. They started developing it January 2020. And yung first documentation nung nagsabi yung China na may virus sila or it's spreading a lot, it was in December 2019. So within that short period of time, a month, ang natabo was that China shared the information regarding the variant, at least for the genetic sequence of the virus. And it allowed all the other countries to start developing our RT-PCR kits. And in the same way, because a lot of the scientists in the US, in the UK, and even here in the Philippines, through the Philippine Genome Center, we've been sharing a lot of the information in terms of genome sequencing to the global database. And because of that information sharing, it allows all other scientists to develop vaccines much, much quicker. So, ang mahambal ko lang is that the vaccines that have been developed have been proven safe. It is backed by science. And this science is hindi siya basta-basta science, it is cooperative science. Gabuligay ang mga scientists sa Pilipinas, sa US, sa UK, sa China, in order to really provide all the information that is needed for us to defeat this variant and come up with more effective vaccines. So kung hesitate ang mga tao to take vaccines, I would like to say na hindi ka mo mahadlok sa vaccine because one, it is really backed by cooperative science. At the same time, it has been proven to be safe, and from our real world studies or the data that we are getting in from what they call this, the vaccination campaigns across the globe, it has been seen that the vaccines, irrespective of brand, are really effective in trying to control the coronavirus.